Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add the GPT to your Trust wallet. If you notice, it says here in the disclaimer, Crypto GPT has been rebranded to Layer AI. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Layer AI. All you need to do is simply scroll down, and once you scroll down, once you get to the About, here it is. Simply click on this More and copy its BEP20 contract address by simply clicking on the copy. Then you simply close it and open up your Trust wallet. Once Trust wallet is opened up, make sure you've got your BNB and some other BEP20 tokens to make swapping easier. And then all you need to do is simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and simply click on this plus icon here. Select the network, which is BNB Smart Chain. Click on BNB Smart Chain, paste the contract address, and it says Crypto GPT. Click on Save. Even though it's been rebranded to Layer AI, all you need to do is head over to the browser. Once at the browser, simply find PancakeSwap, or you could use this search icon and search for pancakeswap.finance, and you get there. So open up PancakeSwap. Once it's opened up, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, click on it, click on Ethereum, click on BNB Smart Chain, and we're going to be swapping our flow key in exchange for some of the Layer AI. So you simply paste its contract address, paste, simply click on import, click on I understand, and click on import again. Now what we're going to do, we're going to simply click on swap, or we're going to be simply swapping our flow key in. So you simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, a smart contract call pulls in for 0.55, click on approve, and boom, the swap is done. Add GPT to wallet, click on OK, close this, close your PancakeSwap. All you need to do is simply head back to the search icon, the search bar, and simply search for the Layer AI by pasting the contract address we copied. Okay guys, and once you've closed the PancakeSwap, simply do some reloads. And once you've been able to make some reloads, all you need to do is simply scroll down and you'd find GPT here. As you can see, Crypto GPT, which is also the Layer AI. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.